Hello guys, this is me Aman Misra, or you all can call me as Avnish because that's my nickname. Everybody calls me from this name at my home or at my village. So there's nothing more to tell you all about me. So here I'm just uh, I just have a thought to make an video just to show up myself, and I like to. And now I'm opting to upload videos on YouTube, as you can all say, like vlogging video. So as because of this trending world of vlogs and all digital content creating, now this all things are going up, and so that was the same thinking of me to just upload a video, not an video, sorry. uh, if this video will work on YouTube, then why not, I will continue. So I'm just here to say you all that uh, that if let us think, everybody, whoever have been been an great person or great celebrity, or who the person who do have like for an example, if talking about Mr. Beast, even he has also started from a single video. So that's all my thinking, that even if you are uploading a video, then let's see what happens in the future, if you will be capable of that. But let's see what happens. So this is my first video that I'm filming right now, and currently you can see in my back that those greenery, those trees and all. And less, why not look at my what at my left or at my right? Yeah, this is supposed to be left. So yes, this is mine temple, Lord Rama temple, Sri Ram Janki Mandir, which was was established by my own ancestral Baba, you can say. So this is my own temple over there, and yeah, I know that you might all be thinking that, what is this, bro? Fuck. Leave this all. So yes, this is me. Okay, please, now I'm taking this all aside, whatever that thing is. Let's now, I should not think upon that right now, that my video will go no, my video, not my video, but I am not even thinking about the future, that what will happen, if even there will be my lot of followers or not, will I be compatible with this lifestyle or not. But let's see what happens. If I will be getting time to make videos, then why not, I will. And one of the most important reason why I'm now creating those vlogs, or I'm in a mood to make these videos, or is that key, when you talk to yourself, when you, even if you're talking in front of a mirror, Then, and yes, there's one more thing that which gets built up is your confidence, first of all. Then second, if you want to learn any of the language or any other language, uh, in respective of the English only. So my just an opinion, or my mind was just talking or was saying that key, why not, if you have to be more confident to your this communication, if you have to grow your soft skill more and well grown up, then it's very good to talk in front of a camera, make videos. That then what will happen, you will get to learn, you will have that knowledge that how to speak and how to converse in a better way, how your speaking can be in a good manner. So these are all the reasons which are pushing me up, that yes, someone you should go on to make videos and all. Yeah, so that's all. Now I want to see those last notation that everybody usually say. Please don't go to that sounds, because you can see there's a wedding, so there's a bhangra and dole, and there's even crackers over there. So all things here are happening there. So that's why please don't go on that sound, please. Just go on my vocals, just go on my my voice, what I'm speaking right now. Yeah, so I was talking about that. Usually people on their every video, they usually say that please like, support, and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, so guys, I don't know what will happen in the future, but yes, I'm gonna upload this video. Whatever will happen. There will be a lot of person who will see a lot of things. They will mock down me, but झुकेगा नहीं साला, रे करेगा क्यों? देखते हैं फिर आगे की रास्ता कैसी होती है। तब तक के लिए वो फीलिंग आने लगती है ना यार, वो फीलिंग आ रही है, ऐसे खत्म करना है। तब तक के लिए joke aside, so I'm really now going to end up this video. My birthday comes on 9 July, and this video is going to be lasted of 9 minutes. So thank you everyone. I would like to say that please keep supporting, keep loving me. Thank you.